How to change password on Yahoo Mail on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Yahoo Mail. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the inbox page. Now, at the top left, you'll find this icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of settings. Now, head over to the option of manage account. Click on the option of account info. Now, click on the option of security. Your Face ID will be enabled or you'll need to type in your phone's passcode. After you do that, you'll be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily change your password. All you have to do is click on the option of change password. Now type in the new password for your account. After you are done, click on continue. And just with that, your password will be updated. So this way you can easily change password on Yahoo Mail on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.